Imagine a young couple, Sarah and Mike, staring at a pile of bills on their kitchen table. The weight of credit card debt, student loans, and car payments feels suffocating. They dream of owning a home, taking vacations, and securing their children's future. But the mountain of debt looms large, stealing their joy and peace of mind. This is a story repeated in countless homes, a harsh reality for many. But there's hope. You can break free from the shackles of debt and build a brighter future. It begins with taking that first courageous step towards financial freedom. This journey starts with understanding your debt and ends with celebrating your financial independence. It's about making conscious choices, sacrificing temporary comforts for lasting rewards. It's about taking control of your finances, one step at a time. Remember, you're not alone in this fight. Millions have walked this path before you and emerged victorious. Before you begin your debt-free journey, you need a clear picture of your financial landscape. This means taking stock of all your debts, credit cards, student loans, car loans, personal loans, everything. Write them down. List the interest rates, minimum payments, and total amounts owed. This might seem scary at first, but facing your debt head-on is the most crucial step. It's about getting organized and gaining control. Once you have a complete picture, you can develop a strategic plan to tackle each debt systematically. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the battle against debt, knowledge is your most potent weapon. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It's about taking control of your money instead of letting it control you. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Where is your money going each month? Identify areas where you can cut back. This might mean eating out less, finding cheaper entertainment options, or even downsizing your living situation temporarily. Remember, these are not permanent sacrifices, but stepping stones to a brighter future. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can allocate funds towards debt repayment, creating a roadmap to financial freedom. Now comes the fun part, choosing your debt repayment strategy. The two most popular methods are the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball method focuses on building momentum by tackling the smallest debts first, regardless of interest rate. This provides a psychological boost as you experience quick wins, motivating you to keep going. The debt avalanche method, on the other hand, prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates. This approach saves you money in the long run by minimizing the total interest paid. Choose the method that resonates best with you and aligns with your personality and financial goals. While budgeting and debt repayment strategies are essential, you can accelerate your journey with additional tools. Debt consolidation can simplify your finances by combining multiple debts into one with a lower interest rate. This can reduce your monthly payments, making it easier to manage your debt. Another powerful strategy is to increase your income. Consider taking on a side hustle, selling unwanted items, or negotiating a raise. Every extra dollar earned can be directed towards debt repayment, shortening your journey to financial freedom. Navigating the world of debt management can feel overwhelming, especially initially. Remember, seeking professional help is a sign of strength, not weakness. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance, helping you create a tailored debt reduction plan and answer your questions. They can also offer valuable insights into debt consolidation options and negotiate with creditors on your behalf. Remember, you don't have to face this challenge alone. Reach out, seek guidance, and take confident strides towards a brighter, debt-free future.